What's going on, boys, and welcome back to another video. 2026, you already know que lo que DR all day. Ya tu sabe. Hey, wait, can you listen to this? Listen, can you listen to that? Can you listen to that? Shh. Yo, wait. Guys, welcome back. We're back at it again with another video. Hold on, let me lower this down. Happy New Year. It is 2026 and this is my plans video. You already know we do these every single year just to hold ourselves accountable and whatnot, boys. But I hope this year brings you blessings, good health, good MR2s, more MR2s. And yeah, boys, let's get it. Let's turn the camera around, show you what I'm working with, what are my plans for this year, and let's get it. 2026, the biggest year yet. DR all day. Okay, dale. Boys, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the white MR2. For those that don't know, we've been building this car for a very long time. It's a 93 MR2 that came in very rough shape. Since I got it back from TCS, the interior was disgusting, the exterior was disgusting, the front was disgusting. Pretty much everything, guys, everything about this car was just yuck. But it's looking much better, and with time things are gonna get even better. But when it comes to my plans, it's very simple. We're just gonna finish the exterior. I do have a surprise further down. It's not going to stay white, boys. It's not, well, partially white. But yes, once I get the turbo kit, that's another plan. It's gonna be turbo very soon. If you guys know me, you guys know that I'm always changing my mind. I'm always saying, oh, May, I'm going to send it in May to get the turbo kit and yada. But it could be sooner, you know? It could be sooner. I could just say, I'll put everything on pause for this and just refocus my attention on this, you know? But right now, it is extremely dirty, boys. This car is extremely dirty, as you guys can see. But yeah, boys. The plan with this one is just a turbo kit, of course, have it detailed, and just finish the interior, boys. This interior is disgusting, as you guys can see. I'm not embarrassed to show it, but it's very bad. But yeah, guys, when it comes to this car, it's very simple. Turbo kit, interior, and finish the exterior, of course, and then just finish the exterior. And that's gonna be a very exciting day. That's when I'll do the mass reveal of the car. So expect that very soon. Maybe sooner, I don't know. But that's the plan with this white MR2. Now let's turn the camera around, and this is my 91 3S GTE Gen 3, and yeah, boys, we are stripping the whole entire car down, and yeah, man, it's a very tedious process, but things are moving a lot pretty quick. Now, main reason why this is on hold is because I'm working on this. I am pretty much just stripping the whole entire car, and we're gonna be sending the car to paint. That is the goal. I have about 30 more days or 33 more days to finish this and send it to paint. But from what it appears to me, the painter is very busy. So we'll see, guys. We'll see, because this is gonna be it's gonna be pretty expensive, just because I do have rust that I gotta get repaired. But I have done pretty much all the undercoating, all the painting. We got bushings, tie rods, ball joints, rotors that we are pretty much doing. just getting the whole entire car cleaned and whatnot. So when it comes to this car, the plan is very simple, guys. It's just sending it out to paint, uh, do the suspension, new coilovers, and yeah, man. Just enjoy it, man. That's it, boys. Nothing crazy. Um, but yeah, man. That is it, man. It's just new paint job, new suspension. Pretty much do all the undercoating in the bottom of the whole car, and just enjoy it. Now, um, you already know me. I'm always looking for deals for MR2s, even though I have zero space where to store them. So if you have an MR2 and it's cheap and it's a project, yo, hit me up. You know, I'm always down. I'm always down. When it comes to the gray MR2 that I have in Miami, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that car. Again, I don't have space here, so yeah, I think that's on standstill for maybe down the road. I'm not sure. I don't want to say I'm gonna do anything with that car or with this engine. When it comes to this engine right here, the 2GR engine that I have here, I pretty much have everything except fuel system and wiring, and then that's it. But everything else I have. So I have clutch, I have flywheel, tranny, pretty much everything. So it's just putting it all together, and that's it. But yeah, boys, that is my plans for 2026. Something short and sweet for those guys that are following me and have been following me for a very long time. I really, really do appreciate you guys. It's been 5 years. Consistency wise, not so well, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. And you never know, man. You never know when it comes to this. That's all I gotta say. On another note, you already know. Que lo que, que lo que, que lo que, que lo que, que lo que. Let's drink some beer and let's go to sleep. Dale.